AGBA stock tomorrow. Am I buying? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end for a surprise and also to find out whether I'm buying or not actually. So, yes, AGBA Group Holding Stock Limited is sitting at 276. It's up 17% today. It's just pretty much delivering like crazy. And like I said in the previous video, I'm still trying to milk it higher. To give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you all of that because that is the truth and I've documented everything. So, AGBA, it delivered to my targets, but I was not like inside this opportunity because, like I said in the previous video, if it's here and then starts going without me, that's fine. Wouldn't force trades, and that's what happened. So what I'm gonna do is just do this, do this, this. Now we have another range. And I want to see if the price comes a little bit lower and then starts giving me double breaks here. Then and only then I'm bullish. That's what having a trading edge is. For my rules to be met. That's that. It's not financial advice. For a free course, check the first link in the description.